what we're going to do here is place a bearing in the load roller, the Cat390F Excavator. First we've got to bring in the bearing into the drawing. There it's placed it inside the drawing, so what we're going to do here is actually move it up out of the way, and we'll press copy and make another body. Then we'll bring that down close to the bearing itself. Make sure you unselect the copy button. Yeah, we're going to bring it in as close as we can to where we want to subtract the bearing area out of the roller. So this is how I do it. There's probably easier ways to do it. This is my way. So next we're going to select the new body that we've just created for inside the load roller, and we'll press subtract. So what we want to do is take that part or that space away from the inside of the roller. So once you press subtract, you'll be able to see inside the body, and you've got a plus sign there which has to be changed to minus, and the roller to a plus. So that will take away the bearing space inside the roller, so you'll have a free space in there. Next, what we're going to do is go to a cross section. I pick the bottom of the part I don't want, and I extrude that up, and that gets rid of the waste part on top of the roller. So now we've got an empty space there for the bearing to be placed. I like to swivel the drawing around a bit just to have a look, make sure I haven't left anything there. Now we place the bearing up the top, we'll go to another cross section and slide the bearing down into position where it's supposed to be. There you have it, one bearing placed inside your load roller. If you're interested in any more videos, more detailed, just leave a message in the comments. If you got this far, I'd like to know what you thought of the video. And yeah, if you want to see more of the build, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.